Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about Weierstrass, substitution. So in this situation, I will put about tan x over 2 equals to t. The next one, that is about sin t equal to 2t over 1 plus t square. And the next one, cosine t equals to 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square. And the last one, dx equal to 2 dt over 1 plus t square. Now, we need to change dx into this one, cosine x into this one, sin x into this one. Now, about number 4, we can do about number 4, we do common denominator. Now, we need to simplify 1 plus t square on numerator and denominator. So, number 2 multiplied by number 2, 4 and 4t square. So, number 4 with negative number 1, we have 3t square. 1 with number 4, we have number 5. Next, about number 3, we can do about factorization in here. So, number 2 and number 3, I will put outside. Next, about 4 over 3, that is about number 2 multiplied by 2 over 3. So, in this situation, we need to have 4 over 9. Later that we minus about 4 over 9 because I want to create about identity in here. So this one we have 11 over 9. And this one we have t plus 2 over 3 to the power of 2. And now we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about t plus 2 over 3 equals to the square root of 11 over 3, and I will use about tan t because if I put this one go in here, we have 11 over 9 tan t square. 11 over 9 we can do about factorization. 1 plus tan t square, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by dt. Or I will put this one for sec. Now, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of tan z, you got about secant of z square. So, this one we have 11 over 9 tan z square. So, 11 over 9 we can do about factorization. This one we have secant of z squared. Now we need to simplify this one and this one, similar for this one and this one. So this one we have number 3 over the square root of 11. Now number 3 and number 3 we simplify, and I will put this one go outside. This one you got about z. About z, this is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by this one. And now you got about z equals to arctan of this one. So I will put this one to change for z. About t, that is about this one. And now we need to multiply by number 3 on numerator and denominator. So you got like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.